Did you know that erectile dysfunction affects millions, yet it remains one of the most misunderstood health crises today? I'm Nurse Susan, and today we're breaking the silence. Simply put, ED is the consistent inability to maintain an erection sufficient for sexual performance. It's not just a bedroom issue, it's a physiological signal from your body. The causes are often rooted in your biology. When blood flow is restricted or nerve signals are disrupted, the physical response is naturally compromised. Many men avoid treatment due to stigma or embarrassment, but waiting only allows the underlying issue to progress. Silence is the biggest barrier to your health. Warning: ED is often the first sign of cardiovascular disease or diabetes. Ignoring these signals can lead to severe long-term dangers for your heart and overall vitality. Treatment options range from lifestyle adjustments to pharmacological solutions like PDE5 inhibitors. These work by relaxing blood vessels to restore natural circulation. Current research is moving toward advanced regenerative therapies. The goal is a permanent cure, restoring natural function through medical innovation and consistent care. Today, we are exploring a comprehensive medical-grade guide to treating erectile dysfunction effectively. Erectile dysfunction often stems from issues with blood flow or nerve signals. Identifying the root cause is the first step toward a successful recovery. Common medications include sildenafil and tadalafil. These enhance blood flow to the area. However, always consult your physician before starting any pharmaceutical treatment. Natural supplements such as L-arginine, ginseng, and zinc can support vascular health and serve as building blocks for improved stamina and circulation. Your diet is a powerful tool. Foods like watermelon and leafy greens contain natural compounds that relax blood vessels, significantly boosting your physical performance. Exercise is vital. Strengthening your pelvic floor muscles through Kegels and maintaining cardiovascular health are proven methods to restore and maintain function naturally. Don't overlook the mind. Psychological therapy or counseling can address stress and performance anxiety, which are often major hidden contributors to these challenges. Take charge of your health today. Like, share, and subscribe to Talk with Nurse Susan. This video is for educational purposes and does not replace institutional medical protocols. Your vitality starts with understanding.